In this video, we're going to create the neck and head controls. First, we're going to take a CV curve and we're going to create a rectangle, snap it to grid, and rotate it about 90 degrees on X. We're going to go ahead now and snap it to curve to the neck A on our rig. Go to F8 and let's create kind of like a rectangle here, or like a bar. F8 when done. Let's duplicate this shape. Move it up to neck B. Press F8. Move it slightly down. F8 when done. And let's duplicate this one more time. Holding down V. Let's place it on the head. Let's press F8. Bring the top one all the way up, maybe about there. And then press F8 when done. Now let's change the color to yellow for each one of these controllers. And let's go one by one, changing it to the proper color. Drawing overrides. Select them all. Freeze transforms. And now let's go ahead and rename them. The top one, we're going to rename anim underscore head 01. The middle one, we're going to rename anim neck B01. And lastly, the bottom one is going to be anim neck A01. Now let's parent each one of these controllers together. First, we take the head controller and we parent it to neck B. Press P. Then we're going to have neck B be parented to neck A. Press P. And neck A, we want to have it be parented to the chest. Press P again. Very well. Our next step is going to be to grab the three controllers we just created, and on the channel box we're going to get rid of translate, scale, and visibility. Right click, lock and hide selected. To finish things up, let's go ahead and constraint. We're going to apply orient constraint for each one of these. Grab the head control. Then grab the head bind. Go to constraint, orient constraint. Grab neck B. Bind it to the neck B joint. Press G. And we'll repeat that one more time with neck A. Let's go ahead and test it out. All right, now we're ready to move on to the next video.